bindas, very straight, like very blunt on the face. Are you still that way, or have you changed?
You'll have to read the magazine to know.
She's
But,
totally strong-willed.
Okay, still very blunt. I don't care what people think.
No, it's not. It's honestly not. I don't care what people think. I think when you are honest, you have nothing to hide, and then you're not scared of anything. That is one rule that I've lived by, and especially then you're not scared of the media, because if you're honest and you tell them, हाँ भाई किया तो और क्या लिखेंगे?
Exactly. Yes, actually the media faculty is right here. The entire media faculty is right here. I'm going to leave up to you. This is the Q&A section.
No wonder the claps are the loudest there.
Oh,
I meet my friends there. Sorry, yeah.
All right. So can we start with the session? Questions? Please raise up your hand. Yes.
Hi. Thank you.
About your personal style?
Personal style, up till now we always lived by our personal style. But nowadays, like I said, someone asked me, so what is the change in from 90s to now? I said, now everyone has stylists. That's the change. So yeah, we definitely have our personal style. I always don't get carried away by the fashion designers or the stylists. I ultimately wear what I'm comfortable in, and I feel what I'm looking good in. If you're wearing low-slung hipsters and it suits you, great for you, yeah. But I don't think it suits me, so I'm not going to just wear something because it's in fashion at that time. I'll probably just again wear that I feel okay, even if I'm a little more conservative. But I'll feel okay, fine. I'm better off like this.
All right. Yes. Some more questions coming.
Hi. Okay, now just to make that clear, because there's so much press here, I don't have a role in Bombay Velvet. I've done it absolutely just for fun. Anurag and Madhu Maintainer, the producer, are very, very old friends. I've done Shul with them, and since then, past 20 years, we've been friends. So these guys were too excited with the songs and everything, and they thought I was the only one who could do it. So they're basically just 2 or 3 songs which I've done in the film where I'm playing a jazz singer. And yeah, there is a track, as in Bombay Velvet, the club survives because of me. So that's the kind of track that is there. And Anushka is the other girl who comes in, and then there's a little bit of rivalry. But it's not like a cameo or anything that I'm doing. I'm basically just doing it for fun, and I didn't even take money for it. So it better be for fun.
So are we going to be seeing you on the big screen very soon?
Shub, you're doing Shub.
Yes, I'm doing Shub. Yes, yes. Honor's film is again Honor, and me and Sanjay Suri, we've been friends since again a very, very long time. So now if I work, I work for the fun of it. If it's something for me, interesting enough and fun enough for me to leave home and a little bit of my home schedule and give time to this. We did Daman together, and since then we've had a great tuning, all of us. We've been friends, actually, personal friends for a long time. Shub, interestingly so, was supposed to be made originally about 11 years ago with Sanjay Suri and me. But then I got pregnant with my first baby, and I told him, listen, I want to enjoy my pregnancy phase, so I don't think I'm going to be working. And then now, interestingly so, he kind of removed the film again and is again making it with some of us, yeah.
So what's your role in that now?
That's a love story. That's like a triangle love story. I'm kind of trying to look like this and that throughout the film.
International, very
Yeah, so yeah, so that's what it's about.
All right, some more questions?
Raveena, अब तक का सबसे memorable कोई cover जो आपको याद हो?
I think honestly, all my Savvy covers have always been the most memorable. I've got, again, very old bonds and old friendships here sitting next to me. Nari is here. And we've been friends for a long time. And I think when he started Savvy, that was all what the magazine was about women of substance. And I'm glad and touch wood that they've maintained that standard so far, because now I'm on their cover. So no, but jokes apart,
modesty
I think...
is not one of your virtues.
No, it's not. So... It's, I mean, jokes apart, so seriously, that was a joke, okay? Please don't misquote me somewhere. But that's what Savvy has always stood for, and that's what I like, because they went behind the scenes, behind what the person is all about, on screen, what you see, and it could be anyone. It could be a celebrity, it could be a sports person, it could be anyone. So I think that was really, really good, and I think most of my innermost interviews or interviews with depth have always been on a Savvy cover. And that's what I think it stands for. Yeah.